there, everybody. Hey, welcome back to another video today. This is Marybeth Angelelli. Are you tired of juggling a busy schedule? Are you tired of struggling out there, finding yourself, unfortunately, financially challenged, living paycheck to paycheck? Well, imagine this for just a few seconds. Imagine having the opportunity to build a successful business that can pay you $900 a day or even more for working just 2 hours a day. Being able to get all of your income producing activities successfully completed in just 2 hours a day, that gives you the remaining 22 hours in any given day to go out there and do whatever you want. Live your life and work right around your family and around their schedule. You know, time freedom, folks, is priceless because time is something that we unfortunately can never get back. And I have some really good news that I need to talk to you about today. The Legacy Builder Program. I'm sure you're here because you're doing your research and due diligence. Well, congratulations, because you're absolutely in the right place at the right time if you want more information on the Legacy Builder Program, which is a digital marketing training and educational platform. Okay, with the primary goal of helping busy people who are living very hectic, stressful, and demanding schedules, okay? To be able to finally start their very own successful digital marketing business. Because you see, you know all too well that the problem with these traditional business models and traditional work jobs are they're time consuming. They're very demanding, they're very stressful, and they take you away from your family. And, you know, time is something you will never get back with your children, with your grandchildren, with your spouses, with your significant others, unfortunately. It just, that's the harsh reality. So with the Legacy Builder Program, you're going to get access to 4 different done-for-you digital products, complete with a step-by-step proven blueprint that's going to help you to get started in your very own online business, to get going online. Okay, very simple, in the simplest way. Ideal if you're a complete beginner, okay? And you don't need to have any tech skills. You don't need any special fancy degrees, no tech skills. You don't have to need to know how to create websites, how to program websites. You don't even have to know how to write an email, because we're going to give you everything you need. Your own fully functional automated system with 3 pages done for you templates that are going to be out there working for you around the clock, 2 explainer videos doing your telling, selling, and explaining, done for you emails that are going to go out for you daily on your behalf to help you to turn your ideal prospects and your ideal customers into paid buying customers so you can start getting paid, folks, okay? Yes, this is proven to work even for the total beginner. You don't need any previous experience. We're going to show you how to start from the ground floor, from scratch, if you are a complete beginner, and build a successful digital marketing business for yourself, folks, okay? Everything you need, the tools, the resources, the training, and the products, backed by an amazing community of like-minded, supportive people there to help you, to uplift you, inspire you, and motivate you to become the best version of yourself that you can, folks, okay? So you're going to be able to have your own digital business where we focus here with Legacy Builder Program on a 2-hour workday. And yes, this is ideal. People love this because it's ideal for the busy person who might have a full-time job that's very demanding, and it's ideal for the busy parents that just want to get their time back and spend more time creating memories around their children, folks, okay? And those who are living busy lifestyles with the demands of, real life constraints. So why is it that digital marketing is so ideal and so perfect for beginners? Well, think of it like this: a low upfront cost. You can actually get started all in at this product, which is our most popular flagship product, the Legacy Builder Program product, $900. $900, I'm sure, is less than the cost of the color TV that you have, that you probably watch every single day in your family room. It's also less than the cost of a brand new iPhone that's just getting ready to release, folks. And with this, folks, you have the potential to earn over and over and over again. Where with your TV, folks, that's just going to take up and eat up your time, something you'll never get back. Your iPhone as a standalone, you're not going to be able to turn a profit with it. But we're going to teach you how to take your iPhone, create content using your iPhone, and upload it to social media so that you can attract your perfect customer and start getting paid, folks. How cool is that? You're going to absolutely, absolutely love it. And not to mention, you're going to be able to be out there leveraging and harnessing the potential of automation, okay, so that you can finally get your time back. And you're not out there anymore trading time for dollars, because your proven system is going to be out there working for you, so you don't have to talk to anybody. It's going to be doing your telling, selling, and explaining for you to attract your perfect customers. Take them on that journey through your email automations of know, like, and trust. And when they're ready to purchase, they'll have access to you, your information, and your link, and you'll be able to turn that perfect ideal prospect into a paid customer, and then you'll start being able to get paid directly and enjoy those fun and exciting direct deposits right into your bank account. Okay? So, in conclusion, folks, why now? Why do you want to take action now? Well, remember this. Unfortunately, nothing will ever change until you get started. And for every day that you sit around and procrastinate and wait, you're just missing out on that daily pay potential. So right now, I encourage you to go down to the description and check out my website. Okay? Everything's going to be there, explained for you, 2 explainer videos. CreateSuccessWithMarybeth.com. You may need to type it into your browser, and then if you have any questions whatsoever, just feel free to reach out to me, folks. I welcome all serious inquiries. Okay, and I do, to let you know for your convenience, if you qualify, I do have installment payment plans as well. So to take advantage of one of those where you can get started today for a fraction of the cost, just call me or text me. I'd love to talk to you, answer any remaining questions you might have, if you happen to have any, and I'll help you to get started and get going, okay? 330-787-1795. Now this is where you're going to be going, because you're going to see this link in the description of my video. Okay, CreateSuccessWithMarybeth.com, and you're going to have your own done-for-you page just like this. Okay, so that you can start to build your very own successful digital marketing business from the comfort of your home, folks, and start getting your life back and enjoying your life, folks. So with that being said, I'd love nothing more than to thank you for joining me today on another video and for allowing me to continue to share with you an amazing program that is changing so many people's lives from all around the world, folks. Okay? And here's one thing that I can promise you. Your future self will thank you, okay, for taking the time out of your busy schedule to at least check this out, to decide if this is a fit for you, okay? And let's face it, you have absolutely nothing to lose and so very much to gain by becoming part of our Legacy Builder program, folks. You're going to love this. I'm here to help you every step of the way. You'll have access to an amazing, super supportive community, folks, and ongoing training and live interactive training to help you to reach your goals, and not only reach your goals, but exceed your goals and forever change your life. So with that being said, folks, you know what to do. Go to CreateSuccessWithMarybeth.com. The link is below. Come through this, watch the 2 videos, review all the information. You'll land ultimately on my product page. You just select the product that is the best fit for you right now, that is in alignment with your present goals, and you can always move onward and upward and upgrade at any given time. So thank you so much. Welcome to the Legacy Builder program in advance. Welcome to my team. I look forward to seeing you very soon inside of our awesome digital growth community, and let's see you at the top. Bye for now. Thanks so much. Take care. Have a great day. Bye-bye.